Friendtech has been going wild, a new way to invest in some of your favorite creators on Twitter, and it's been going insane. Everyone has been mooning, so many more users coming every single day. I think there's now 90,000 users on Friendtech, which is absolutely unreal. Today we're going to talk about a few updates that have happened in the last week. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Now, if you are not sure what Friendtech is, it's this new social app that's on the base chain that allows you to basically speculate on people's Twitter accounts. They're tokenized and you can trade them. You can buy and sell shares of me, for example, and you can do this for anyone who's signed up to it. I have got a video that I uploaded, I think last week or the week before, when Friendtech first came out, basically talking about how to use the app. So go and watch that if you haven't watched that already. I'll leave a link in the description below. Today, what I wanted to do is just talk about some of the new things that have been added and some of the interesting developments with the Friendtech space. So the first thing is, as you may have seen in one of the previous videos, Friendtech probably will have an airdrop, and they did actually raise some money with Paradigm, and so I think this is one to keep an eye out for. Go and watch that video and talk about some of the things that you need to do in order to become eligible for that. I did actually write a tweet saying, some of these shares now are really quite expensive. If you look at the likes of Kobe, Hasker, Ansem, over 2 ETH, Racer, over 3 ETH for a share. I mean, most of us are probably priced out by this. And so I did think about the idea of, some sort of derivatives, whether it's perps, options, fractionalized shares, that would basically help us to get leverage exposure. And I think there were some interesting replies here for sure. Firstly, I think it looks like the Dopex team are targeting something end of the month in terms of creating some options for Friendtech shares. But also we do have a variety of perps now as well. Hyperliquid have actually shipped this tokenized Friendtech perp. And essentially, if you go to the docs, you can see that this is an index that tracks the median price of a variety of your favorite influencers. Some of the more expensive ones like Kobe, Hasaka, Banks, Ansem, Rookie, Gainsey, Inversebra, some of the big crypto Twitter accounts anyway. And you can go to Hyperliquid and you can trade this. You can see it's actually trading right now. And this is available on Hyperliquid. Interestingly, you can also go to Avo, which is the options and perps platform built by the Ribbon team, and you can actually trade the Friend Perpetual here as well directly. And so, yeah, this is pretty interesting to see. I think it's just a matter of time before we see more derivatives built on top of Friendtech. If you are not interested in perps, well, there are actually indexes that you can buy as well, like the Friend Index, which basically has a variety of cherry-picked creators, and you can basically buy an asset of this, which will indirectly give you exposure. You can see here that they are regularly adding other kind of creators to this index. So they've added DeFi Maestro yesterday, I believe. And they'll be adding many others as well, like they've added Pentoshi as well, and I'm sure if you just follow them you'll be able to see what else is being added. So for those of you who want some sort of index of some of your favorite creators in one go, this is the place to go. So you can trade the perps, you could buy the index. We're probably going to get options with Dopex coming end of the month. And so I think it's really interesting just seeing the variety of stuff being built on top of Friendtech. There's also Friend MEX, which is basically a platform where you can connect your wallet and trade assets as well. One of the things here that you can do is you can get a lot of information about different people who have been able to make a lot of money. Look at these wallets, 30 ETH profit, absolutely unreal. You can see a nice database to basically look at different trades and recent trades and things like that. So I think it's pretty cool. At the moment, looks like Friendtech is really blowing up. We're now seeing not only just crypto Twitter accounts signing up, but also sports players, non-crypto accounts are signing up. YouTubers are signing up. And I think all of this is resulting in a lot of capital inflow coming into Friendtech. Like I said, 90,000 users already. this is only going up as well as more people sign up to the platform. And it's pretty exciting to see something like this in crypto. Whether or not it's what crypto needs, I don't know the answer to that question, but I think it's something that I've had some fun with, and I'm sure many of you will as well. So that's what I wanted to cover today, just some of the updates with Friend Tech. I'll be back with plenty more content in the near future. Drop a comment down below if there's anything that you want to ask, or if there's anything that you want me to cover in future. So until then, I'll be back with plenty more content in the near future.